मन में फंसी. No fear, no regrets, no begging. What was really going through his mind? Today, we are not going to read his history books. Today, we are going far more personal. We are going to analyze his handwriting. Welcome to episode 3 of Handwritten Diaries, where we go beyond books and uncover historical personality through graphology, decoding emotions. First, let's look at margin. Left margin indicates what type of discipline you have. If we see, the straight line indicates that this person was a disciplined person. One of the reasons behind it can be that their parents, especially their father, were strict to them in their childhood. That's why we see Bhagat Singh being a disciplined person in his life. Disciplined with his studies, disciplined with his physique, and disciplined with his thoughts.
वतन मुझे पुकार रहा है. मैंने अपना सब कुछ दांव पर लगाकर देश की सेवा करने का बीड़ा उठाया है. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, ये हमारे लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है. चाचा स्वरण सिंह जी कुर्बान हो.
Right margin. The right margin indicates the risk-taking ability to the opportunities we get. If we see in the sample, the right margin has been slanting to the right side. This indicates that this person has higher risk to the opportunities he is getting in his lifetime, and it is increasing. Next is pressure of the writing. This indicates what type of emotional intensity do you have. In the sample, it indicates that this person has a high emotional intensity. This person never forget a scar which was conducted in the past. That's why we see Bhagat Singh never forgets what type of exploitation colonizers did to the Indians. For example, in Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919, the exploitation done by General Dyer was never forgotten by Bhagat Singh. That's why his mentality of emotional intensity for revolution was indicated. Next is slant of the writing. This indicates the emotional explosiveness of a person. In the sample, we see there is a right inclination of the handwriting. This indicates that Bhagat Singh was a highly emotionally expressive person. Previously, we saw he was highly emotionally intensive person. That's why the emotions he had inside was totally expressive outside. This person does not think of emotions, does not think of second chance. He act upon the action he was conducting.
Is ruling. Honorable members, Public Safety Bill or Trade Dispute Bill.
Next is distance between the words. This determines what type of closeness you want from the people. In the sample, this indicates the shorter distance indicates that this person want a close distance from person. For example, we see Bhagat Singh always allied with his friends in all the activities he conducted. Right from the revolutions, right from the protest, till the hanging he had done. Now let's do letter analysis. If we see letter B and L, the bulge between the letter B and L determines what type of intellect that this person has. If we see the sample, the letter B and L has a higher bulge. This indicates that this person was a knowledgeable person. This person was of higher intellect. For example, Bhagat Singh having a higher ideology of socialism, of Karl Marx, of Lenin. H. This indicates what type of mindset you have towards success. In the sample, the circle above H indicates that this person was a mindset of hatching the success. Means he can go all the way to hatch the success from anybody. This is real mindset of Bhagat Singh, because the revolutionary mindset inside him determines that for success of freedom, he will go all the way to fight Britishers.
हम एक ऐसी जंग लड़ रहे हैं जिसकी जीत हमारी मौत में है. आप मेरी मौत से क्यों डरते हैं? मैं नहीं डरता.
Small letter I. This indicates the way of life you have. The dot and the body determines what type of way you have. Larger the distance, farther is your way of life. In the sample, we see there is a larger distance. This indicates that this person was living in a dream rather than living in a reality. That is why we see Bhagat Singh being a dreamer of freedom, of independence. He had a dream of independent India where we were free of all the colonizing mindset.
जेल की दीवारें और फांसी के तख्ते हमारी आवाज को नहीं दबा सकते। इनकलाब आके रहेगा, हिंदुस्तान आजाद होके रहेगा। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
Next we have E. This is debatable, but let's analyze. The circle inside E is a closed. This means that this person was a selective listener, had a single ideology to determine his actions. For example, Bhagat Singh followed a revolutionary mindset. He denied all the peaceful protests against Britishers. So he himself determined that the revolution is the only way to liberate Indians from Britishers. Letter F. This determines the planning and execution mindset of yours. The bulge above determines the planning mindset. The bulge below determines your execution mindset. In the sample, we see there is a bulge in the downside. This determines that this person had a higher execution aptitude than a planning aptitude. That's why, for example, we see Bhagat Singh conducting activities like bombing in parliament. This indicates the higher level of precision in execution. Next is letter K. This determines the romantic mindset of yours. In the sample, we see there is a mechanical way of writing K. This determines that this person was more of a logical person in a romantic situation. That is why we see Bhagat Singh registering all the romantic relationship in his life, and the romantic relationship he had was with the freedom. For example, one day his mother asked him, "What about your marriage?" And he said, "I'm already married and I'm married to the freedom."
बेटा दूल्हा बने, उसके घर में शहनाइयां बजे, बहू आए, लोग खुशियां मनाए। मैंने अगर ये सपना देखा तो क्या गलत किया?
माँ, इस समय हमारी आंखों में सिर्फ एक ही सपना होना चाहिए, वतन की आजादी का। हम सच्ची खुशी उसी दिन मना सकते हैं जिस दिन गुलामी की जंजीरें कटेंगी, और वो दिन बहुत दूर नहीं माँ। उस दिन पूरे देश में शहनाइयां बजेंगी।
Letter M and N determines the pace of your decision making. The sharpness above M and N says that this person was fast at decision making. For example, revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh never had a planning or never had a proper schedule for every actions. They had prompt action. They are spontaneous action taker revolutionaries. Letter P. The line above P indicates that this person will go out of the way to help people. Just like the line above P is indicating that this line is going out of the way than the normal P. For example, when Bhagat Singh and his colleagues were in jail, they were ostracized for their meal. Bhagat Singh and his friend were on a hunger strike to provide a good meal to the prisoners in the jail. And also, as long as helping others is considered, he went and hanged himself to prove the point that what is the value of real freedom for Indians.
आप हमारे साथ जानवरों जैसा सलूक नहीं कर सकते। आपको हमें सेहतमंद खाना देना होगा। बीमार कैदियों से आप कोई काम नहीं करा सकते, और हमें अखबार और किताबें मुहैया करनी होगी। जब तक हमारी ये मांगे पूरी नहीं होती, हम भूख हड़ताल पे रहेंगे।
Letter R. This indicates what type of mindset you have towards creative art. Creative art like dance, music, drawing, and singing. The sample indicates that the R is little bit of critical, little bit of logical. This means that Bhagat Singh was a logical person towards arts. For example, he read books. He read various authors like Karl Marx, Lenin, Tolstoy, and appreciated their art instead of the creative art in the contemporary world. The enigma of letters, the letter T. This indicates what type of thinking you have towards your own mistakes. The horizontal line determines the thinking of your mistakes. If the line is on the right side of the T, indicates you have left your mistake behind and you are looking forward toward your future. In the sample, we see that this line is towards the right side. So this determines that the mindset of Bhagat Singh was to look towards future and forego the past mistakes he had done. For example, on the timings of his hanging, he was thinking of the future of India, not the past mistakes he had done in his life. Next we have letter U and V. This indicates the emotional nature towards your decision making. U means you are emotional nature toward the decision making. V means you are criticalness toward decision making. And when you write V instead of U, it indicates that you have been critical in the emotional nature of the decisions. For example, while Bhagat Singh was determined to be hanged, he was not emotional, he was just logical. He was thinking of our country, he was thinking what type of sacrifice will lead to the awakening of Indians to fight for real freedom. So, this was his real logical mindset instead of emotional decision of death. Bhagat Singh was not just brave, he was real action taker. He was dreamer. He was dreamer of real India, the independent India, the freedom of India. His handwriting determines one thing. He was not built for survival. He was built to ignite fire, and that fire is still burning. If you find this fascinating, like, subscribe, and please comment. In the next episode, we will analyze one more historical personality. Till then, follow Decoding Emotions.